This lesson closes out the syllabus with 5 ideas, all sharing one thread. Precision, in language and in method, decides the mark far more than raw calculation ever does. Not both and neither sound almost interchangeable and describe two completely different probabilities. Whether a question says with replacement or without looks like a throwaway phrase, and it changes every single number that follows it. Rearranging a formula the wrong way round produces an answer that looks algebraically confident and is completely wrong. Reading a Venn diagram region just one ring off gives an entirely different set, and a calculator's decimal answer for time, copied straight onto the page, turns 45 minutes into a number that doesn't actually exist on a clock. 5 ideas. Take your time with all of them. Let's start with 2 phrases that sound almost interchangeable and describe 2 completely different events. Not both and neither. Take 2 coins, each tossed once. Not both heads excludes exactly one outcome, the case where both land heads, and includes everything else. Heads tails, tails heads, and tails tails. 3 outcomes out of 4, so the probability is 3/4. Neither is heads is a far stricter condition. It excludes any outcome containing even a single head, leaving only tails tails. 1 outcome out of 4, 1/4. Same 2 coins, same event space, and the 2 phrases land on completely different probabilities, 3/4 versus 1/4. Read the exact word on the page before deciding which outcomes to count. Now, a phrase that's easy to skim past and changes every number that follows it, whether an item is replaced before the next draw. With replacement, each draw is completely independent. The probability of any particular outcome stays exactly the same every time because the total available hasn't changed. Without replacement, every draw shrinks the total by 1, and if the previous draw matched the outcome you're tracking, it shrinks that count too. Take a bag with 5 red balls and 3 blue, 8 in total. Drawing red, then red again, with replacement, 5 8s times 5 8s. Without replacement, 5 8s times 4 7s, since only 7 balls remain and only 4 of them are still red. Skim past that one phrase, and every probability calculated afterward is built on the wrong foundation. A different kind of precision now. Solving simultaneous equations properly and rearranging a formula correctly. Simultaneous equations should be solved by elimination or substitution, a genuine algebraic method, not by guessing pairs of numbers until one happens to fit both equations. Guessing might work on a simple example and will fail completely once the solution isn't a small whole number. And when rearranging a formula to change the subject, the rule is, whatever operation you do, do it to both sides completely and undo the existing operations in reverse order. Take y equals mx plus c, rearrange to make x the subject. Subtract c from both sides first, since addition was the last operation applied to x, and only then divide by m. Do it the other way round, dividing by m before subtracting c, and the c ends up divided by m too, when it should never have been touched by that division at all. Now, reading a Venn diagram correctly, where being 1 ring off changes the entire answer. A intersection B means inside both circles at once, the overlapping region, and only that region. A union B means inside A, or inside B, or inside both. Effectively, everything covered by either circle. And A dashed, the complement of A, means everything outside circle A entirely, including the region outside every circle altogether. The trap that costs marks isn't the definitions themselves. It's translating notation into the correct physical region under exam pressure, especially telling in A but not B, apart from in B but not A. They're mirror images of each other, and mixing them up gives a real, calculable, entirely wrong answer. One last trap, and it catches people even when every earlier step in a calculation was done correctly. Time is not decimal. A calculator will happily hand back an answer like 2.75 hours. 2.75 hours is not 2 hours and 75 minutes. There's no such thing as 75 minutes on a clock. It's 2 hours plus 0.75 of an hour, and 0.75 of 60 minutes is 45 minutes. 2 hours, 45 minutes. The same conversion has to run in the other direction too, before compound unit calculations like speed, which need time in a single consistent unit. 45 minutes becomes 0.75 of an hour, not 0.45. Skip that conversion, or do it the wrong way round, and every calculation built on top of that time value comes out wrong, however careful the rest of the working is. Quick practice first. 2 coins are tossed. State the probability that the result is not both heads. 3/4. 3 of the 4 equally likely outcomes, heads, tails, tails, heads, tails, tails, are not both heads. Only heads, heads is excluded. Now, a full exam-style question tying together everything in this lesson. Part A. A bag contains 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random, without replacement. Calculate the probability that both balls are red. Part B. Solve the simultaneous equations. 2x plus y equals 11 and x minus y equals 1. Part C. Make R the subject of the formula A equals pi r squared. Part D. In a class, set P is students who play piano and set G is students who play guitar. Describe in words what the region P intersection G dashed represents. Part E. A journey takes 2.4 hours. Convert this to hours and minutes. Part A. 5/8 times 4/7. That's 20 over 56, which simplifies to 5/14. Part B. Adding the 2 equations eliminates y directly. 3x equals 12, so x equals 4. Substituting back, y equals 3. Part C. Divide both sides by pi first, giving r squared equals a over pi, then square root both sides. R equals the square root of a over pi. Part D. Students who play piano but do not play guitar. Inside circle P and outside circle G. And Part E. 2.4 hours is 2 hours, plus 0.4 of 60 minutes, which is 24 minutes. 2 hours, 24 minutes. So, 5 ideas, closing out this run through the syllabus. Not both and neither describe genuinely different events. Read the exact word. With replacement keeps every probability the same. Without replacement shrinks the total and sometimes the count on every draw. Simultaneous equations need elimination or substitution, and changing the subject means undoing operations in reverse order on the whole side every time. Set notation. Intersection is both, union is either, and the complement is everything outside, and time is not decimal. Convert the decimal part of an hour into minutes properly in both directions. I've put all 5 in the notes. Revise it on StudyRevise while it's fresh.